ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. There we have it. Our gentleman, fresh boy, no they pay. Allah. And you're a chef as well.
Yeah.
Hey, say the yeah again.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I like that. Yeah. So what's your favorite meal? What's your favorite meal in the kitchen?
Hey, this boy. Oh, I like rice.
Rice.
To keep it
Are you a rice cooker?
Something like that.
Okay. How do you like your rice prepared?
With some vegetables and then some nice brown beef stew.
China the guy. See. Right now they crave Verna water. You understand? I want to drink water in advance.
You just salivate,
right? Challenge you, man. So you're very single, a fresh boy like you, man. When did it end? What did you do to her?
Actually, it was some kind of misunderstanding. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we couldn't.
You couldn't resolve it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Match your voice more for me, because fresh boy, you understand?
Is it maturing enough?
Yeah, I love this one.
Yeah.
All right. So you've seen our ladies.
Yeah.
Already.
Like.
Your taste the inside.
It's okay. Let's.
But your taste the inside.
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Of course. 100%.
Is it the one you've danced with, or?
Please.
Make I relax. Yeah. We're just hoping that the feeling is mutual, though. That the ladies also have their taste here. Because we've all seen tasteless shows before. Where they'll go like, oh, Giovanni, forget that. I can cook. 2 cooks can cook the cook. Even cookies don't do this. All right, ladies. As the rules of the game is. Yes, there you have our very first gentleman. He's here to find love. And of course, we are powered by Rush Energy Drink to keep our rushes on, if that feeling is mutual. Now remember, yes, you're entitled to a date. A date no means say you go bonky day. You understand? Yeah, you want to start somewhere. That's what we believe in. So yes, we're going to ask you to keep your rushes on and off, whether you're interested or not. Right? Your heart moves.
Yeah.
Maybe normally.
Sometimes
they shift.
Yes. Pick up my heart.
All right, ladies. Six rushes on, ladies and gentlemen. There we have it. Now, I want to talk to my ladies who've got their rashes off. There should be a reason why theirs is off. I want to start from Bella. Bella, Ade, what supplies you?
With his pink lips, I don't believe he's single.
No, relax. Okay, continue.
I go pink and black.
Yeah, that's one.
Uh-huh.
And then 2, he won't get time for me because he said he's an actor. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's why you kept yours off.
Yeah.
Let me find out from Success. Success. Why do you have your rash off?
Giovanni, actually, I like the way he entered, and his pink lips actually made me fall for him. I liked him. Yeah, but, I mean, we are 10 ladies. You just went and you held there. It's like, omuni mama want to down on mobile. So, I can't. Oh, that's your bestie. Me, I fear bestie.
I not see him before, sir.
Then what was that for?
She asked me for him.
Yeah.
And you can't turn down a lady.
Hold on. See, me, I don't do besties, so me, I don't do. Obi the editor. Oh, okay. So that's why you kept yourself.
Yes, please. Because I really liked him. He had the height, he danced well, he had pink lips. Well.
But Success, from where you stand, do you see good in bed in him?
I mean, naturally, we have the perception that slim guys are good.
Okay. when you see me losing weight in the next episode, don't ask questions. Just mind your business, okay? All right. All right. Let me find out from Ruth why she kept her rash off.
Josie. Actually, I like the guy a lot. Especially the pink lips. Although I don't like, he's not the choice I want, right? I would have considered. But the reason why I off it is, as my sister was saying, we are 10 girls here. I'm a jealous type. Yes. Why will you just go in? You passed here. You just shake ass, and you took her. Oh.
Like, Giovanni, do you know if you really stay there, it looks like she's even the shorter, so that means it's like you like short girls.
Akwe pepuma or pepuma.
We are 10.
Tadpole.
So means
Tapoli for how?
he already have a crush on her, so why will I on?
All right. Okay. Maybe we should find out why the other lady. Oh, patience.
Giovanni.
Yes. You were not patient enough.
I dey like you. But you see, it's a saying that says, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
He came in, as they all said, 10 ladies, only one. Or red is your favorite color?
No.
You are going to wear red for him, eh?
If you like red is your favorite color, I'll change.
Oh, my favorite color
I
is
have
white.
red.
White.
Red is white.
Yes.
As you can see, he came for handshake.
Okay.
It was serious.
So let me find out from
I
those.
rest my case. Why?
Wait, let me find out from those with their rashes on. Maybe, yes, some still kept it on. Aside the numbers, yes? Yeah, let me... Well, since they're attacking Alberta, it's only fair that we start off from here. Is that okay? Yes, let's start off from Albi.
It's so funny why they are all saying this. Like, seriously, myself, there's something that put me off the guy. The way they are saying the pink lips, I don't like it. Myself. The reason why my rash is on is I want to, you see, we don't judge a book by its cover. So I want to see the next profile of him and see maybe there's something I will like that will make me overlook the pink lips. That is why my rash is on. But they're attacking me and all that. You see, I love guys who dance. So the way he put the move and all that,
Chese, he has a rhythm.
So with all this red dress and all stuff, it's
okay. One more from any of you with your rash on before we check out the profile too. Yes, Anita.
I like his height though. His entrance was very nice.
Yeah.
He's looking cute. He was actually not my spec, but I tried to like him. That was the profile. He's a very hardworking guy. That's one of my specs.
Okay.
Even if you're ugly and you get up by 5 o'clock, you're off bed. I really like it. It makes me happy. That's why it's still on, not because...
Get Rash! Let's check out the second profile. We'll be right back to see if these 6 rashes will still be on.
With my previous relationship, things didn't work out as planned. So we had a good relationship. And then along the line, at a point in time, I got scared because she kept entertaining her ex-boyfriend in her house. He normally comes around, and then later on she will call me to tell me about it. I spoke to her about it, and then she got angry that there is nothing wrong with that. So we had to let things be, because it's more or less like it is now a 3-party something instead of the 2 of us, because I feel the guy was coming in more and I wasn't feeling comfortable about that. I didn't catch her cheating, but as a guy, I feel it is not safe to be entertaining your ex-boyfriend, because once they've had something to do before, the possibility of them coming back together is very high.
There we have it. Charlie, so that be how the thing happened. Oh, you must be broken down.
Yeah, because it has happened before.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ladies keep doing this to you?
Yeah.
But did you tell her about your fears? Do you open up to her, tell her that, hey,
yeah,
I've been there, I don't want to go back there?
We spoke about everything, but it seems like she's kind of, I don't know what attracts her more to the guy. So,
is there something you think you're not doing right that probably got her to be attracted to her ex?
Well, she didn't.
Have you learned some lessons from that?
Oh, of course.
What are you doing differently now? What do you intend doing differently now?
Okay, what I intend doing differently now is, I think in a new relationship, I'll be her best friend, her buddy, like build that link that she will feel more comfortable talking to me more about stuff so that maybe she might not think of confiding in someone else.
All right. Yes, ladies, you've heard him. And now you've got the power to do more. So let's see if we're going to get some more rushes down, or are we going with this? Who of light?
NEPA.
Wow. Wow. The ladies have spoken. It's very loud and clear. And usually that means a big no. Like, no like you've never heard before. This is the kind of no that breaks hearts. Yeah.
No, I'm okay.
You're okay.
Yeah.
You're being the man.
Yeah,
You're taking it in good strides. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my man, Mr. T or Charlie Yo. Hey! Hold it. That's right. But yeah, unfortunately, our ladies have spoken. Maybe, yeah, that's the beauty of the show. Oh, wait. Patience. No wonder I forgot you. Patience.
Yo.
What happened?
Well, I can see there's a bit of game change somewhere.
Sir.
Actually, I think Alberta was the only competition, and her rush is off. So I'm giving my shot.
You're shooting your shot. That's right.
I love that.
You. Hey, Bema.
Hey.
Right now, no.
Baby,
It's not just you will take it as a man, no?
Because it was on. I saw it.
Sir. Okay, we have another profile though. Patience, will you be patient enough to see that? You sure? Hopefully that doesn't change your mind. All right, let's check it out, guys.
My plan for the future is I want to be a responsible husband and father in the future. Someone whom my wife and kids can look up to and be proud of.
Very easy to take girls, you know, not fat. That should be gotten clearly. Thick.
I feel I'm old enough for games, so I need someone serious to settle down with.
Kerry will be ready to take any girl he finds to the next level. That is marriage.
So ladies, whoever I walk out of the stage with tonight, we may be walking down to the altar in a year or two.
Ladies, Kerry is a rare gem. He's a one-in-a-lifetime person. He's free-spirited, as I said earlier on. And if you are able to get him, if you're able to impress him enough to choose you, trust me, you will never regret.
There we have it. See, tell it. So, okay. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? And when she had the part that, I'm a one guy, one lady kind of person, and whoever I walk out of the stage with, we're going to hear don't do. And Juana Ruby say, the checks have I did already. Hello? So, well, now we have two. So, have you decided on who you want to go for?
I'd like to ask a question, though.
All right. So, well, we have two now. So, we're going to ask you to ask your question, because obviously you came with one. So, throw your question. Shoot your shot.
Okay.
We have Ruby and Patience.
So, Madam Ruby and Madam Patience, which is important to you? What to say or how to say it?
Very interesting.
You can explain.
Right? Who goes first?
I think I prefer the how.
Patience.
How to say, yeah. You can say something with maybe a sentence. It wouldn't matter what you say, but how you put it to the person. Because sometimes words have two different ways they come. Yeah, you could actually say it to the person and the person will take it the other way around. Sometimes too, it's your tone. Your tone can actually take the thing off. So it actually depends.
Interesting. And Ruby, before you answer that, what changed your mind?
For the fact that he said is he is going to be a responsible father, so that makes me turn on my.
You're ready for babies?
Yeah.
You're ready to start a family? Okay. Oh, come on, a round of applause for them. A round of applause for them. Date rush! All right, Ruby, so now the question.
What to say? What to say? Yeah. I believe that everyone should be mindful of what to say. What I'm trying to say is that everybody should be like whatever you say to everybody should be kind. You should use kind words to everybody. You shouldn't be using like rude words or like mean words or harsh words to everybody. You should use, kind words to everybody. Probably maybe you may be angry with somebody, but you just use a kind word to the person.
Wow, best of both worlds. If you want to go to the lean season, we are there. Chubby season, we are there. My brother, you are spoiled for choice. So, DJ faculty, do what you love doing best. You dance there and switch on and off. Well, off. The rush, you're not interested. Wait, hold on. Okay.
Okay. From the third profile.
Yes.
You sounded as if you were ready to settle down. Like 100% ready. So what if the person you pick isn't 100% ready to settle down? I'm not saying I don't want to.
Yeah.
Or I'm not.
Also, you want to know your how far before he comes
exactly.
to make it. I like that.
Because you said a year or two, right?
Yes.
And I'm actually not really ready to settle down in a year or two. Honestly.
Okay. All right. That's an honest answer. So what do you have to say?
Okay, I actually like her honesty about that. And I believe that there are two ways to kill a cat. And then in everything, open and honest communication solves it most. So it can be talked out, build understanding, and then you work things out.
Charlie, the man's revised his notes. Come on, give it up for Date Rush! Date Rush! That's right. Okay, faculty.
I'm a high. Some of them and catch I'm a cat. They come at once, I was a guy. I feel me day, me bye. I'll be the woman your mama, not go do but I'm in your bar, I'm a good sim. But I'm way game, I'm going to phone them. When come on, I am with a one pim. These are the Rabbi and Soshan Kamumujasi, and no could I with it, I come in my pee. That mean I aim a home for me a bee. What's a woman mentioned as a pen ma? Who young five over who was to them pa? Me young girl, you was a friend of denta. Wonder, what's one who a penisa? Why is that blow to William Franca? From the last so I finished Sanka. When the one about here, I would do a sick year, I would out the Janka. Can the Jimma? Send me sick as I won't permit the acquaint. From a home from a father, go take. Who's in the routine, I have over the acquaint. Men from a last time I walk with me toy. Get me what I may have didn't press so that. This is that, give me the draw that, give me the year who to the Yamas room. High time, I just say go so now. Won't do it.
Black Jersey on the beat.
Can't promise. That's a dead minister and a guy swamp. Just about him, I will have media. I hope my child would teach him a swap. On a board in a mafia. It cares to me song. In lobby care, came me back home. It gets some Moko John. They do me against Bamboo.
You can't chase my life. Ever since she came out, and I feel this way from. Let me go until you see my brother. Oh, baby girl, you know you got the juice, you got the fire.
Well, Richmond, congratulations. And it was a bit shaky. A lot of attacks here and there, but tell me, how was the experience?
It was a nice experience, and as I told you before I went on, I kept an open mind because I knew that anything at all could happen. So, yeah.
So at a point, not why you're shaky, Kakra, especially when it was only Patience Rush that was on. When a Geneva down, Kakra, brand,
No, not at all. Actually, she took me by surprise because initially her rush was off. So when the second profile came and then everywhere went dark, I thought, well, it is what it is. It has, but she said no. There is a choice.
She said no. So Patience said no. Like Mercy said no. Patience, what happened?
At first, I actually thought he had a choice because he picked and he danced with Alberta. You could clearly see there were 10 people on the stage. You handshaked everyone. So I danced with one person. You were kind of like throwing a message, okay, I just want one of you, something like that. But then I listened to the second profile. Sometimes you can't judge just by the first one. So I wanted to see what was there. And I changed my mind afterwards.
Actually, I wanted to address that issue. You know, I handshake them, and then when I got to her turn, she was like, can you have a dance with me? And then as a gentleman, you don't have to turn down a lady. So I granted her request. And that is what they didn't get right.
I had no idea, but it's good you've made that clarification so we know that it wasn't your choice. I wish you two all the best. You look good together. And yeah, hey, Patience, and I will blast you. Hey, but I wish you two all the best, and we'll see you when you go on that all beautiful, all romantic date. High five. High five.
Our presenter, stylishly groomed by Fiancra, located at Ablekuma.
Many thanks to the Gold Coast Restaurant and Cocktail Bar at 5th Avenue Extension, Cantonments.
Sena wodi yamena na mami fili atajwa mene wodoni ye movie where part 1
it was Bone TV what I say dealing about all your entertainment what I say just tune in
so what dey call mafi odo yehu and so me frɛ wa ya umfa say umpe mi bi nso ene ka ubeye sa kuma se masa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Sena wodi yamena na mami fili atajwa mene wodoni ye movie where part 1
it was Bone TV what I say dealing about all your entertainment what I say just tune in
so what dey call mafi odo yehu and so me frɛ wa ya umfa say umpe mi bi nso ene ka ubeye sa kuma se masa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Sena wodi yamena na mami fili atajwa mene wodoni ye movie where part 1
it was Bone TV what I say dealing about all your entertainment what I say just tune in
so what dey call mafi odo yehu and so me frɛ wa ya umfa say umpe mi bi nso ene ka ubeye sa kuma se masa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Sena wodi yamena na mami fili atajwa Many more done your movie, where your part one. It was Bone TV, what I say, they learn about all your entertainment, what I say, just tune in. So what they call? Mafia, do you? And so me frewa ya umfa. Oh, say won't pay me bien so any account. Obey yourself, massa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Oh, hello lovelies, I'm Sugar Titi, SHUGATITI. Please, you're watching Waspon TV. For all the entertainment news, whatever, gossip or whatever, you can go on their channel and then check them out. I love you all.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Oh, hello lovelies, I'm Sugar Titi, SHUGATITI. Please, you're watching Waspon TV. For all the entertainment news, whatever, gossip or whatever, you can go on their channel and then check them out. I love you all.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Oh, hello lovelies, I'm Sugar Titi, SHUGATITI. Please, you're watching Waspon TV. For all the entertainment news, whatever, gossip or whatever, you can go on their channel and then check them out. I love you all.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Send out the Yamana Mammy Philly. Atajwa, many more done your movie, where your part one. It was Bone TV, what I say, they learn about all your entertainment, what I say, just tune in. So what they call? Mafia, do you? And so me frewa ya umfa. Oh, say won't pay me bien so any account. Obey yourself, massa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Send out the Yamana Mammy Philly. Atajwa, many more done your movie, where your part one. It was Bone TV, what I say, they learn about all your entertainment, what I say, just tune in. So what they call? Mafia, do you? And so me frewa ya umfa. Oh, say won't pay me bien so any account. Obey yourself, massa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV, entertainment and more.
Love what you do. Send out the Yamana Mammy Philly. Atajwa, many more done your movie, where your part one. It was Bone TV, what I say, they learn about all.
It really helps me, my academics.
So after long hours of studies and I have to travel far to get home before I can come back the next day, I need Rush Energy drink to be able to stay strong in order to wake up at dawn for the next day. So basically it gives me the strength to keep going week in, week out, every day. It's good for everybody.
Before I work out, I take Rush Energy drink and it gives me more energy to do my workout. And I don't feel tired quickly. It's so good. So you guys should try Rush Energy drink.
So this is the Rush Bar, and before our contestants hit the stage, this is where they just pass through to enjoy some Rush Energy drink and then release all the stress and nervousness they may be feeling. But let me get talking to one of our guys for this episode. His name is Terrence.
Ellis.
Terrence?
Ellis.
Terrence?
Ellis.
You know I love your name, right? Very unique and all of that. But before you get up there, are you nervous?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
But how expectant are you? Are you getting a date for this episode?
Sure, I believe so.
How sure are you?
I'm sure about that.
Hey, how sure are you? How sure about it?
Because everyone deserves love, so I'm sure about that.
Of course, everyone deserves love. But how did you hear about Date Rush? A friend told you saw it on TV. What exactly pushed you to be here as well?
I saw it on telly. Yeah, so I decided to go for it, and then it worked out for me, and here I am today.
That's a bold step. But before you get up there, I mean, how are you sure of getting a date on a scale of 1 to 10? Quickly.
I think 5 to 6 will be okay.
5 to 6. Choose one, 5 or 6.
Okay, 5.
5. That's not bad. But so I wish you all the best. And before you hit the stage, take some Rush energy. All right, I'll see you.
That's right. Welcome back. Date Rush. Date Rush. All right, we're just in time to meet our second guy. Of course, we had a very good one for our beautiful Patience and our lucky guy, but we've got a replacement, all right? Before I get to meet her, and you meet her as well, and our guy, let me say big thanks to the proud initiators. Thank you so much, Trillium Industrial Company Limited, producers of Verna Mineral Water, and of course, Rush Energy Drink. Rush Energy Drink is one of our proud sponsors. They say, smart energy. Understand? Energy. And of course, shout-outs going out to Ernest Ointment, Unfair Secret, and Notes Cosmetics. Yeah, all eyes on you. Are you ready to meet our new entrance? Oh, do you want to see her? Ladies and gentlemen, we're joined by Stephanie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Stephanie, let's see you small. Let's see you small. No, just this way. No, this way. Yeah. Step down small for me. Hey. Oh, Stephanie, it's okay, it's okay. Stephanie, it's okay. You just go back. Date Rush. Some people deserve bigger. All right, so Stephanie, before you came in, I asked all these beautiful ladies 2 questions, all right? First off, what you're looking forward to in a guy. By the way, are you single?
Yes, I am.
But some guys too. Yeah, your ex no try. Your ex no try. Did you turn your back when you were leaving the relationship? Did you walk backwards?
I always turn my back. I always.
So, what's your kind of guy, Steffi?
Okay,
what's your kind of guy?
So, first and foremost, I'm looking for a strong man, someone who comes off as strong, like very strong. No, I'm not talking about the stature or something. I'm looking for. I see it. When I see it, I'll see it.
Yeah, emotionally strong, physically strong. Allah. And how about other things?
Like it was it.
If you know, you know. I like that. All right, would you lie? Would you lie to make your partner happy in a relationship? Would you lie to make your partner happy in a relationship?
No. To make him happy?
Yeah.
Wicked mood activated. No.
That's right. Everyone for himself, God for us all. All right. Round of applause to Stephanie. And of course, we have our other 9 ladies here, super excited to meet our second guy. Quickly, let's go check out his profile.
My name is Terence Ellis. I hail from the Volta region of Ghana. I'm 28 years old. I do stage lighting as a profession and has a partnership business called Epic Trend Lighting GH.
I call him Terry for short. He's quiet, hardworking, and he's very ambitious. He's somebody working with has, uplifted our company to a certain level. He's very understanding, very organized. I actually learned a lot from him, being a friend. When you go to his place, he's always having everything, organized and at the right places.
Very ambitious, entertaining, and then a great cook as well.
I quite remember there was this time, boys. There's a particular time where everybody's broke and we don't have anything on us. You understand? Terry is somebody who will be like, okay, I have this. Can we try and fix something, to eat? He's a great cook too. When he enters the kitchen and he brings something out, trust me, you would lick your fingers. So, like, he in particular is one different, extraordinary guy I've ever met. Because most guys don't like to cook. So if you have a boyfriend who enters the kitchen to always prepare something for you, I guess it will be a nice experience. One thing I don't like about him is sometimes he gets too organized. Like, I like him being organized, all right, but then it's so some way when always your friend always reminds you to keep this, keep that there. Don't do this, don't do that anytime you're around him. You get it?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sarah! That's right. We gon' make them dance again. Situation they get critical. Pressure they over minimal. How they feel cynical. She no be me principal. Oh yo yo. I'm very beautiful sabbatical. As I they listen to some classical. This back I see be physical, not physical. She they use a technical. I can't they use mathematical. This girl not typical. Hypocritical situation they get critical. The pressure they over minimal. And they feel cynical. She no be me principal. We gon' make them dance again. Situation they get critical. Pressure they over minimal. And they feel cynical. She no be me principal. Oh yo yo. I'm very beautiful sabbatical. As I they listen to some classical. This back I see be physical, not physical. She they use a technical. I can't they use mathematical. This girl not typical. Hypocritical situation they get critical. Oh, my guy. How you doing, my brother? Yeah, you good? You're a very, very gentle guy, very calm. Ladies man, Brahon Fevatis. Fabumbio. That's you. Yeah, so you cook? Yeah.
A lot.
Master chef.
Yeah, sure.
Your favorite meal in the kitchen?
I'll go for rice.
Rice? How do you want your rice?
With cabbage stew.
Cabbage stew.
Yeah, sure.
I've rice. Local rice. I like that. Cabbage stew, eh?
Sure.
What are some of the top ingredients, secret ingredients you add to your cabbage stew? What makes it special?
No, I don't want to voice it out now.
You
Yeah.
want the ladies to find out for themselves.
Exactly. When you are in, then you know yourself.
Match your voice small for me. Hey, so when you are in, then you know yourself. Hey, Bema! In. We just finished an election. In, Bema!
Sure.
Hey, your ballot box. Okay. So have you seen our ladies? All 10 of them?
Yeah.
I'll give you another chance. You have 5 seconds. Look at all of them. Scan through. X-ray for. Let's rush! Let's rush! Everyone deserves love, all right?
Everyone is looking gorgeous.
Gorgeous, eh? Sure. How many have you seen in there that you know crowd?
A lot.
Sure. You are seeing beyond the 10? Just kidding. All right, ladies. We good? Oh, the ladies, are we okay? Yes, wait, hold on. Hey, Stephanie, wait, you don't want to see the other side to the equation?
I just want to say something.
Okay.
So I really didn't like his entrance. Like, I want him to dance. I can challenge him.
Ayeka Bako. Okay, get in. All right. Anyone else want to dance? Anyone else want to dance with him? Okay. So this way. Hey. Pressure they over minimal. And they feel cynical. She no be me principal. Oh yo. I'm very beautiful sabbatical. As I they listen to some classical. This back I see be physical, not physical. Wow. Hey, have you chosen your choice already? Because this vibe.
It's a secret.
It's a secret, eh? This is where I come in. Ladies, you've seen it. Well, you've seen it all. I'm going to call on you to do the usual. Yes, I'm going to ask you to do the usual. Terrence is here. You've seen his video. If it's your guy, if you've got that vibe, that connection, you keep your rashes on. If not, Rush Energy Drink is giving you the power to keep it off. So, here we go. Well, there we have it. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, so loud, so loud, so loud. We have 5. We have 5 of the rashes on. Are you impressed?
Sure, I'm impressed.
You sure?
I'm okay.
You think the next profile video will not convince them to go further?
That one is up to them.
Yeah? All right. I want to find out from you, ladies. Come on. Let me find out from Cecilia. I've been abusing you too much. Let me go to Anita. Anita, you dear, hey, Anita. Do so you do. Anita, what have you seen?
Oh, he's a cute guy though. He's quiet, but I know he's a bad boy.
Oh yeah?
I can really tell he's a bad boy. He's just trying to act cool, yeah.
Yeah.
And the height, that's me.
For you,
I don't go, though my mom took a shot.
Yeah.
But I don't really like someone like my
ask
dad.
him how? Is his height below sea level? Is he a submarine? Is he a walking tortoise? I mean, how bad is the height?
Oh, I really want a tall guy. Because I really, really want a tall guy.
Okay. So it's the height for you.
Yeah.
Alberta? Albie? You too, another ECG.
Oh, no.
Okay, tell us. Why is your rash off?
The looks.
The locks for you.
You know, it's my choice. But sometimes you need to make a parent proud. My mom would not like it. So I kind of know like guys with locks like that. You get it? Yeah. So the locks just put me off.
So for you, it's the presentation?
Yeah, the presentation.
All right.
I like the dressing though, everything. He's cool, like very nice. Like,
simple and
classy. Yeah, simple and classy. Like.
Rosie! Go, girl.
Okay, I want to ask you, would you cut your hair because your girlfriend asked you to?
I don't think so.
You wouldn't?
No.
Okay. We can't judge a book by its cover, but I don't like him.
You don't like him?
I don't. Okay. Like, from what I've seen so far, no.
The connection is not there. Nobody can put the cable there. It is not happening. Gifty.
Okay. He's not my type. In fact, he is not the type of guy I want. Yes. I need a thick, tall guy. Very thick. Yes, very thick and then tall. He is not. So he is not the type of guy.
That's why it's off.
Yes.
Cecilia!
Hi, Jovi.
Sorry, ma. Yanko.
Actually, just as Alberta said, his outfit is on point, and I don't mind with the locks. I mean, you can't judge a book by its cover, yeah. So, but he has too much energy, and he's a bit naughty. I don't like a guy like that.
You want to say something? Go ahead, come on. Say something.
Can I say something?
Yes, please.
Like, we want energy. Like, yo, about my man, you need small energy. La chaba chabo. Like, yo, sani la cha chabo. So, like,
hey, Success, you want to say something?
Yes. No offense to my fellow ladies, but for me, the locks, you look good. The locks looks good on you. I mean,
I like you. Yeah.
And just like you guys, I'm interested in finding out what the second profile video is got for us and how this is going to pan out tonight here on Date Rush. Let's check it out.
I would say my last relationship, all I can say is impatient and then lack of communication. All because I was staying with a friend by then, and then I was dating as well. So my girlfriend used to come around, and then one day she started telling me she's not being comfortable with me staying with my friend. So I told her she should just give me a time and then I'll make it up to her by getting my own place. She started complaining. Whenever I called her, she wouldn't pick up. A week she won't pick up. I keep on calling, texting, and then no reply. So one fateful day, I went there to her place and then I told her, why is she doing this to me? Because she knows she's the only one I love. And she was like, she's not interested again. And I said, how? She said she can't date someone staying with a friend. So I said, okay, if that's the issue. And then my mom also know about my girlfriend. So I called my mom and told her about it. And then my mom called her. And then she started complaining, why did I tell my mom that this is the issue? And then I'll say, that was all what happened.
So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Yeah, video 2 to convince our ladies. As I can, well, let me ask them now. So decide if you're keeping it on or off. Okay. All right. Ruth is out. Let me go to Ruth real quick. Yeah, Ruth, you just had to put it off. What happened? What changed?
Actually, I like him. But I like independent guys.
So you think that because he stays with a friend?
Do you still stay with your friend?
That was then.
That was then.
What of now? You stay alone.
All right. So Ruth, what do we do? Do you keep it back on? Do you want to bring it back on, or you're okay? You're okay.
The connection is not there.
The connection. All right. Okay. The connection is not there. Wait, hold on. We still have our ladies here. We have a final video of you to show. But before that, all right, we have a success.
Yes. Even if you were staying with your friend, for me, I'll help you build that mansion that we want to have. I can see a future, like you have a great future, so I want to be that woman.
And then, Date Rush.
Giovanni.
Yeah, we didn't know we were coming along with builders.
Giovanni, that be Enachui.
Hey, the matter has come.
Like, how many rushes are still on? She shouldn't just say she wants to be the woman.
Talk. Don't worry.
We are women.
Ish.
We will help him. That's
right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna allow you probably to. Yeah. I'm gonna inform your decision again right after this second clip. How about that? Yeah. Let's check that out and see if we still be going builders way, planting food for jobs, or we'll just call it orchids. All right. Let's check this out.
I would say as an entrepreneur, I love doing lighting a lot. That's what I feel is my passion, and then cooking. So I can be doing the lighting in the future and at the same time have a restaurant whereby I'll be the chef over there.
He likes, girls with, ladies with that curve, that kind of curve-like appearance. And when you talk about a curve-like appearance, meaning the person has, the back and then the front all arranged properly. So, and then he likes tall girls too. He doesn't like short girls like the way he's short. He likes a girl like girls that are a bit taller than him and have a lot of flesh. Yeah, not very skinny. He also likes girls who are very, clean. In terms of hygiene, it's very important. A girl should be clean and hygienic, like keep the house in order and all that.
So I just need somebody that can be very patient with me and then follow my dream for it to become bigger and better for the two of us.
He's ready to get into a relationship, and psychologically and physically he has made himself ready for the relationship. So I guess whoever Terry gets to have the opportunity to go on a date with, he's going to put all his best to make this relationship work. Ladies, when you get the opportunity to date Terry, please don't just joke with the relationship. He's a very good and humble guy, and I know you'd love his company because he's an amazing person and he will not disappoint you.
We all need friends like Terry's friends, don't you agree? Date Rush! That's right. So, ladies, here we are. You have it. Let's see if you want to keep your rashes on or off. Well, I almost saw it on and it went off again. Maybe it's the low current. Maybe, don't you agree? Maybe it's the low current. Again, maybe another chance. Maybe another chance. Yeah, well, there we have it, Terry. Terry, this looks like a unanimous voice, including the lady you danced with. But let me see why they had to do that to you, though. Let me start off with Stephanie. Stephanie, we all saw you dance with him. Stephanie, what changed?
Giovanni.
Yes.
I like the guy. Oblanu, I like you. But okay, my problem is where the friend was describing the type of woman he likes, and in terms of physical attraction, it's important. But me imagine like no one can he cook fan. Then what else?
So the house chores part.
The house chores say, oh you can taushi and it money be like no.
So for you, that's it.
No, if I want to, I feel like house chores should be something I want to do. It shouldn't be at the back of your head that it's my chores because I'm your girlfriend or I have the girlfriend title, so I gotta do it for you, And physical appearance, in terms of the physical appearance as a woman, can you cook my
brother, you have anything to say before we move on to Ruby?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Stephanie, I think you heard my video, right? I was describing something, and then it feels like I'm always there. I can do more, even when you're around. So what if I don't know how to do that, and then maybe you fall sick? Are you trying to tell me that I can't do the house chores for you?
Okay, listen. That is a different scenario. And I feel like, listen, doing household chores it's a survival thing everyone needs to have, being a woman or a man. Cooking, yeah, you know how to cook. I love that. Trust me, I love good food, and I would love my man to serve me in bed and all that. But Oblanu, big bum, I get. It be small boobs, I no get. Like small boobs, I get. I no get big boobs. But do na can't like when I lose weight. What else?
All right.
You know what, men?
Well, I don't know if Ruby shares the same thing, But let's find out from Ruby why she had to keep her off as well.
F4 number. Okay. I think you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Okay. And he's a nice guy, though. I don't have any issue with his looks. I just don't have any issue with his looks because, you know, Christianity is not about your looks, you know. So I don't have anything wrong with his looks. He's just a nice guy, but just that I feel he's just not my spec. Do you get it?
Yeah.
And moreover, he didn't even mention anything concerning Christianity and all that. So like, you know, so but I want to tell him something. I want to send him a message that he shouldn't give up on love. Like, he should never give up on love. That's all.
See, this life, they say she's refusing to put on a rash. Wadani counselor. Now she's telling you that don't give up. Hold on fast. Don't let the devil lie to you. T. So now the ladies are all saying no. What's the next plan? And of all the people, success. What happened? What happened?
Giovanni, like I've always wanted a guy like him who can cook, who can help me out at least with what we are doing. He's into lightning. But talk to your friend. Your friend has just lost you. Like you just lost the diamond like me.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Deal with him.
Shine bright like a diamond. Are you still friends with him? Are you still friends with him? Would you have considered her even though he said you're into big German engine? You don't like Abubuya? Would you have? So what do you have to say? What do you have to say? Now all the ladies are almost saying no.
I think maybe that's what is meant to happen. So.
All right?
Yeah.
You're taking a good stride.
Sure.
So you're hoping to find love again from her.
Sure.
Don't give up, all right?
I'm not giving up.
Ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. The man Terry. A round of applause for him, please. Dex Rush! Dex Rush! Thank you, my brother.
But I know you remember. One day, you're going to miss my loving. One day, you're going to miss my loving. Oh, one day, you will come cry for my honey. Oh, sweet, sweet loving you, I know you remember.
So on Date Rush, we say everyone deserves a love, but sometimes some people are just not lucky, especially when you go up there and the ladies feel like, you're not their kind of guy. And unfortunately, and so heartbreaking, Terrence is back here with me, but without a date. Terrence, how are you feeling?
Not good at all.
Oh, not good at all. I mean, it's rather unfortunate. You know, I hate it when people come here and you don't have a date. It's very, very sad. But how are you taking it? I mean, are you coming back maybe in the coming episodes or something? What is your next step?
I think I'll be coming back again because everyone deserves love. So I think this is not my time. So surely I'm going to come back again.
I'm looking forward to seeing you again. You have to come back. Thank you so much.
Oh, come on. Give it up. Give it up. Well, things didn't really go the way Terry planned it tonight. But yes, like we always say on this show, everyone deserves love. Maybe his love is probably you out there watching him, all right? So yeah, anytime you meet him around, show him love, okay? Date Rush returns to wrap up right after this break. Stay on. Date Rush! Date Rush!
Our presenter, stylishly groomed by Fiancra, located at Ablekuma.
Many thanks to the Gold Coast Restaurant and Cocktail Bar at 5th Avenue Extension, Cantonments.
People, taste the victory.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Is that not your wife?
Every time your children are falling sick, you don't have money.
Stop! Everyone! Baby, baby, baby!
David, what I said, just tune in. And so me frewa ya umfa. Oh, say won't pay me bien so any account. Obey se kuma se masa.
Now you have no choice than to switch up to Waspon TV and stay connected. Waspon TV.